Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up Turbo VPN on OnePlus Ace 3V. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now you have to select this application and click install. Now click open and then click agree and continue. And now you can close this ad, click allow and then click consent. Now you can click on this button to start your VPN and then click allow. Now you can close this ad. And as you can see, I'm connected to VPN in United States. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.